Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. I work for Guild Guitars. Welcome to the Guild booth at Summer NAMM 2019. We have a couple cool things that we launched for the Guild universe at the Summer Show this year that I kind of want to show everybody. One of the first things that we launched is our 12-string in the Deluxe 200 Series archback. So this is solid spruce top with flame maple on the back and sides, archback. It's a beautiful instrument. We launched the 6-string version of this at the Winter NAMM show about 6 months ago, and this is the 12-string that's the complementary product to that. Has a tone and a volume control snuck right on the inside of the sound hole, and the map price is $549. The other 12-string that we launched for the summer show this year is this D260 12-string, and this is the 12-string complement to the 6-string version that we also launched at the Winter NAMM show earlier this year. Solid spruce top with striped ebony on the back and sides, also has an arched back just like the Jumbo that we just looked at. Similar sound system setup with a tone and a volume control hidden right on the inside of the sound hole. This guy's $599 map value. So what's really cool about this is Guild, we've always kind of historically been known as a 12-string guitar brand, but before these came out, the only thing that we had that was available under about $2,500 was a $500 satin finish version of our 12 strings. So now with the addition of these two new guys, we have 3 12 strings that are in the $499 to $599 price range, and each of them kind of have their own unique flavor and kind of style to them, which is pretty cool. So it gives people the ability to kind of choose what they're really looking for rather than just being forced into one specific product. They're available now, and if you'd like to read more information about them, please go to guildguitars.com and you can find out where the closest dealer is located to you. Thanks.